Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share latest permanent work from home jobs from JNC Associates. As you can see here, they are hiring for UK recruiters. So you should have at least 1 to 2 years of working experience in US or UK staffing, and you must have excellent interpersonal and communicational skills. So if you want to apply for this position, you can drop your resume on this mail ID.